Motion in a straight line, Babu. Motion in a straight line. Motion in a straight line. Mechanics के part है. Mechanics part. Definition first. Definition is speed. Speed equals to distance divided by time. Distance divided by time. Speed equals to distance divided by time. And speed, we treated speed as v. And v equals to distance divided by time. Distance means s, time means t. If we plot the graph, then obviously we take here distance along y-axis and time along x-axis. So, as distance and time both are directly proportional. If we increase the distance, then time also increases. Then obviously this graph will be in a straight line. And a distance time graph will be in a straight line. And a distance time graph will be in a straight line. Here, देखिए speed is always scalar quantity. Scalar quantity. Scalar quantity. What is the meaning of scalar quantity? Which consist only magnitude. Only magnitude. Meaning of scalar quantity means which consist only magnitude but no direction. Only magnitude but no direction. Speed consists of only magnitude but no direction. So it is called a scalar quantity. Then देखिए velocity. So velocity. Velocity v. Velocity is a vector quantity. Velocity is a vector quantity, that means velocity consists both magnitude and direction. Velocity means displacement divided by time. Velocity means displacement divided by time. Displacement divided by time, that is called velocity. The displacement is vector symbol divided by t. So velocity is also vector and displacement is also vector. Velocity is vector quantity and displacement is also vector quantity. Displacement means it is vector quantity. Vector quantity. Displacement vector quantity and velocity is a vector quantity. Vector quantity. What is the meaning of displacement? Displacement meaning the perpendicular distance between initial and final point. Displacement meaning the perpendicular distance between initial and final point. Displacement means the perpendicular distance perpendicular distance between initial and final point. Perpendicular distance between initial and final point, that is called displacement. The displacement, when a particle, देखिए displacement कैसे, when a particle moves from point A and now it reaches the point B, then finally reach point C. Here displacement AC. AC is the displacement. AC displacement. AC displacement. But distance ABC, distance ABC, ये वाला total path distance. पहले distance means actually total path. Distance means actually total path covering. Distance means the total path covering. Total path covering. Total path covering in a certain time. अरे डिस्टेंस क्या हुआ? डिस्टेंस मीन्स एक्चुअली द टोटल पाथ कवरिंग इन ए सर्टेन टाइम. Certain time, here by A to B and finally it reaches at point C. So here distance equals to ABC. ठीक है बाबू, distance ABC, but displacement here, the perpendicular distance between initial and final point, initial point A, final point C. So AC is the displacement. So here AC is the displacement. ठीक है. पहले write the basic difference between velocity and speed. देखिए velocity and speed, actually velocity means which contains both magnitude and direction. It is a vector quantity, but speed is a scalar quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity. देखिए velocity and speed, look at this. Velocity and speed. Velocity means कि एक नंबर वेक्टर क्वांटिटी, वेलोसिटी वेक्टर क्वांटिटी, स्पीड स्केलर क्वांटिटी, नंबर 1. नंबर 2, वेलोसिटी is the perpendicular distance, velocity is the displacement divided by time. Sorry, velocity displacement divided by time. Displacement divided by time, that is velocity. Our speed equals to speed v equals to distance by time. Distance by time. Number 2 point. Number 3 point. Both are same. यूनिट क्या होगा? वेलोसिटी का यूनिट मीटर पर सेकेंड. यहाँ पे यूनिट सेम, यूनिट मीटर पर सेकेंड. कौन सा मेथड? एमकेएस ऑब्लिक एसआई मेथड. ये वाला एमकेएस ऑब्लिक एसआई मेथड. एमकेएस ऑब्लिक एसआई मेथड. So, that is the basic difference between velocity and speed. Write the basic difference between velocity and speed. Next topics. Average velocity. What is the basic formula of average velocity? Average velocity or average speed. Look at this. Average speed, V average. That means average speed. Look at this. Average speed means what is the formula? The total distance traveled divided by time taken. Total distance travel divided by total time taken. Total distance traveled divided by total time taken, that is called average speed. ठीक है, average speed. What is the meaning of average speed? Average speed means total distance traveled divided by total time taken, that is called average speed. Next time, average velocity. Look at this. Average velocity. Average velocity. Average velocity. चलिए एवरेज वेलोसिटी v बार और v एवरेज. देखिए लुक एट दिस. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? द एवरेज वेलोसिटी मींस द टोटल नेट डिस्प्लेसमेंट. टोटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट. ठीक है, नेट डिस्प्लेसमेंट net displacement divided by total time taken. Net displacement divided by total time taken, that is called average velocity. Net displacement divided by total time taken. So average velocity v average equals to net displacement, actually del x divided by total time taken del t. Average velocity equals to del x by del t. ठीक है, एवरेज वेलोसिटी इक्वल्स टू del x by del t. नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला ए एवरेज वेलोसिटी del x by del t. नेक्स्ट टाइम देखिए, और दूसरा फॉर्मूला क्या हुआ? जो एवरेज वेलोसिटी, इसका फिर दूसरा फॉर्मूला v एवरेज इक्वल्स टू look at this. v average equals to x2 minus x1 divided by t2 minus t1. v average equals to x2 minus x1 divided by t2 minus t1. It is also called average velocity. Then average velocity formula v average equals to x2 minus x1 divided by t2 minus t1. x2 minus x1 divided by t2 minus t1. Now look at this. Here. नहीं देखो. Instantaneous velocity. What is the meaning of instantaneous velocity? Instantaneous velocity means v instant equals to limit del t tends to 0 del x by del t. Look at this. Limit del t tends to 0 del x by del t. It is called instantaneous velocity. The equation of limit del t tends to 0 del x by del t, it is the slope of chord. क्या हुआ? The slope of chord. Look at the slope of chord AB. Slope of chord AB कहाँ पे आएंगे? देखिए फिगर में मैं देखा लिखूंगा. Slope of chord AB. Look at this. पहले limit del t tends to 0. ग्राफ x एक्सिस y एक्सिस, ये वाला ओरिजिन देखिए, ओरिजिन से क्या हुआ? चलिए फिर देखो डॉट 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 डॉट, यहाँ पे डॉट डॉट डॉट. Very small part. Along x-axis, we take the time here t1, here पे t2 minus t1, that means del t. और ये डिस्टेंस क्या हुआ, टोटल डिस्टेंस x2, यहाँ पे टोटल डिस्टेंस x1। पहले x2 माइनस x1, x2 माइनस x1, x2 माइनस x1, पहले x2 माइनस x1 मीन्स डेल x, x2 माइनस x1 मीन्स डेल x, और t2 माइनस t1 मीन्स डेल t, t2 minus t1 means del t. So we take chord. Chord means A वाला part AB. AB. Taking chord portion, that means AB. This point A, this point B, AB. Chord portion AB. This point A and this point B. B point. पहले A B chord. पहले इसलिए we can write slope of chord AB. Slope means obviously we take an angle theta. पहले slope of chord AB. पहले chord क्या हुआ एक्चुअली, ये पे देखिए डेल x, यहाँ पे डेल t, ए वाला ए पॉइंट ए, पॉइंट बी, स्लोप ऑफ chord AB. This angle theta. अरे instantaneous velocity v instant equals to limit del t tends to 0 del x by del t. It indicates the slope of chord AB. ठीक है, slope of chord AB, it is also right. We can also write क्या लिखा हुआ देखिए, नेक्स्ट लिख slope of tangent, slope of tangent, slope of tangent at A point at tangent, because at point A we take the angle theta. ठीक है, slope of tangent, tangent means taking angle theta at point A. ठीक है ना, taking angle theta at point A. The slope of tangent at A, slope of tangent at A. लगे slope of tangent at A, tangent at A, slope of tangent at A. Slope of tangent, equation is slope of tangent at A. देखो next that limit, again LT means limit del t tends to 0. Del t tends to 0 means very small time but not 0. मतलब very small time but not 0. Del t tends to 0. Del x by del t. Look at this. Del x divided by del t equals to dx by dt. Del x by del t equals to dx by dt. पहले limit del t tends to 0 del x by del t equals to dx by dt. It is also called dx by dt equals to v instant. Equals to v instant, that means instantaneous velocity. V instant equals to v instant. Next, velocity 20 meter per second and second half length with the velocity 30 meter per second. 30 meter per second. Full stop. Find the average velocity. Find the average velocity. Find the average velocity. So a person travel along a straight line, a straight road for first half length with the velocity 20 meter per second and second half length with the velocity 30 meter per second. Find the average velocity. point A, that the first of distance A, B, C. Look at this now. A to B distance is time क्या हुआ T1. B to C distance is time T. Time T2. चले फर्स्ट हाफ, इसलिए वेलोसिटी v1, सेकेंड हाफ के लिए वेलोसिटी v2, सेकेंड हाफ के लिए क्या हुआ वेलोसिटी v2. चले फॉर फर्स्ट हाफ look at this. Time t1 equals to distance by velocity. ठीक है देखो, time t1 equals to distance by velocity, and second half look at this. Time t2 equals to distance by velocity v2. ठीक है देखो, टाइम मीन्स डिस्टेंस बाय वेलोसिटी. তাহলে টোটাল টাইম क्या हुआ? सो टोटल टाइम t इक्वल्स टू t1 प्लस t2. t1 means s by v1 plus t2 means s by v2. पहले टोटल टाइम t इक्वल्स टू t1 plus t2 s by v1 plus s by v2. टोटल डिस्टेंस, पहले टोटल टाइम ये तो टोटल डिस्टेंस s plus s. टोटल डिस्टेंस, look at this, टोटल डिस्टेंस s plus s equals to 2s. total distance 2s. So average velocity v average equals to total distance s total means total distance divided by total time, but total displacement divided by total time. पहले देखिए टोटल डिस्टेंस 2s s plus s means 2s, ठीक है ना. ये टोटल डिस्टेंस s plus s equals to 2s बाबू, divided by total time s by v1 plus s by v2. Look at this, s by v1 plus by s by v2. total distance by total time s by v1 plus s by v2. ठीक है. चलिए नेक्स्ट लाइन. फाइंड द एवरेज वेलोसिटी. पहले v इक्वल्स टू जो ऊपर 2s डिवाइडेड बाय s कॉमन, then 1 by v1 बाउंड, then 1 by v2. look at this, s is short, finally 2 by v1 v2 LCM. पहले v1 plus v2, ठीक है ना. पहले 2 by s is cut, ठीक है, s is cut. Finally we get v equals to v1 v2, 2 into v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2. 2 into v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2. It is the answer. But here in this question v1 equals to 20 meter per second, v2 30 meter per second, ठीक है ना. तो v1 20, देखिए v1 20 क्वेश्चन में देखो, v1 20 meter per second and v2 30 meter per second. चलिए put the value. v1 20 meter per second, v1 20 meter per second, 20, v2 30. So we can write 20 into 30 divided by 20 plus 30. 20 into 30 divided by 20 plus 30 means 50. 50 ऊपर 20 into 30, 0 0 का, ठीक है. 5 4 जा 20, 5 4 जा 20, 0 0 का 5 4 जा 20, ठीक है. 5 4 जा 20, पहले 4 3 जा 12, into 2 पहले 2 into हमारा 24 है 24 मीटर पर सेकंड 24 मीटर पर सेकंड समझते हैं बाबू तुम समझते हैं देखो ठीक पहले 2 into v1 v2 डिवाइडेड बाय v1 प्लस v2 पहले 2 v1 का वैल्यू 20 मीटर पर सेकंड v2 का वैल्यू 30 मीटर पर सेकंड 30 मीटर पर सेकंड then we can write 2 into v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2 2 into v1 v2 divided by finally we get the answer 24 meter per second ठीक है next पहले an old man moves in a semicircular track of radius 40 meter during morning walk he will start at one end of the track and reaches the other end and the distance covered and displacement of the man. Distance covered and displacement of the man. Semicircular track. Semicircular track means semicircular track. It is a semicircular track. यहाँ पे radius R is the radius of R is the radius. ठीक है ना R is the radius of the semicircular track. पहले distance covered equals to the semicircular track. Distance covered equals to क्या हुआ टोटल लेंथ ऑफ द सेमीसर्कुलर ट्रैक ठीक है ना बाबू देखिए लेंथ ऑफ द सेमीसर्कुलर ट्रैक यहाँ पे स्टार्ट हुआ यहाँ पे है पहले लेंथ ऑफ द सेमीसर्कुलर ट्रैक डिस्टेंस कवर इक्वल्स टू लेंथ ऑफ द सेमीसर्कुलर ट्रैक length of the semicircular track. Distance cover equals to length of the semicircular track. That is called क्या हुआ totally length 2 pi r divided by 2. Circumference of the circle equals to 2 pi r. ठीक है ना पर half semicircle means half that means 2 pi r by 2. That means we get pi into r. 2 pi r divided by 2 so finally we get pi into r length of the semicircular track pi r means length into semicircular track पहले यहाँ पे pi का वैल्यू we know that the pi का वैल्यू is 3.14 the value of pi equals to 3.14 into r means radius of the circular track यहाँ पे that r if we start moves 40 meter during radius 40 meter पहले r का वैल्यू क्या हुआ दे 40 पहले 3.14 into 40 that means 126 क्या हुआ 126 मीटर 126 मीटर so answer find the distance covered distance means 126 meter and final question the displacement of the man. Look at this. Displacement means distance of the man. That is diameter. Displacement means diameter. His point and his point distance. ठीक है ना? A क्या करके P यानी AB का distance that is diameter. लिखिए displacement equals to diameter of the semicircular track. Diameter of the semicircular track. Diameter of the semicircular track. Diameter of the semicircular track यहाँ पे diameter क्या हुआ जो 2 into r यानी 2 into r का वैल्यू क्या है r का वैल्यू 40 मीटर 2 into 40 that means 80 meter is the diameter. पहले diameter of the semicircular track यहाँ पे क्या हुआ 80 मीटर ठीक है complete next topics. relative velocity, the relative velocity of a body A with respect to another body B, that is VAB, is the rate at which body A changes its position with respect to body B. তাহলে VAB means, so VAB মানে relative velocity of body A with respect to body B, VA minus VB, VA minus VB, ঠিক আছে, রিলেটিভ ভেলোসিটি অফ এ উইথ রেসপেক্ট টু বি ইকুয়ালস টু VAB ইকুয়ালস টু VA minus VB. We can also write babu VAB equals to, लिखे ने, displacement by time, displacement by time, displacement के VA minus VB into T by T. Displacement হচ্ছে VA minus VB into T by T. So finally we get VA minus VB. And VAB equals to VA minus VB, relative velocity of A with respect to B. So VAB equals to VA minus VB. लिखे नहीं इसे, take same case, like proceeding on the same line, it can be shown relative velocity of B with respect to A. Okay, there. Relative velocity of B with respect to A. Relative velocity of B. Relative velocity of B with respect to relative velocity of B. Relative velocity of B with respect to A. VBA. So VBA equals to VB minus B. VBA equals to VB minus B. Relative velocity of B with respect to A, that is VBA equals to VB minus B. So we can write finally VAB equals to minus VBA. VAB means relative velocity of A with respect to B. VBA means relative velocity of B with respect to A. ठीक है, VBA means relative velocity of B with respect to A. Then a jet airplane traveling at the speed 500 km per hour exits its products of combustion at the speed of 500 km per hour. Relative to the jet airplane, what is the speed of later with respect to an observer on the ground? Hello, এটা হচ্ছে রিলেটিভ স্পিড প্রবলেম, রিলেটিভ স্পিড প্রবলেম। রিলেটিভ স্পিড প্রবলেমে the speed of airplane আর স্পিড অফ কম্বাসশন দুটো জিনিস দেখতে। আচ্ছা, let VP and VC, VP and VC represent speed of plane and combustion. Speed of plane and speed combustion. Speed of plane and speed of combustion. ठीक है, VP and VC। তাহলে রিলেটিভ স্পিড মিন্স কি হবে? স্পিড অফ প্লেন 1500, না জেট প্লেন হচ্ছে 500 আর স্পিড অফ কম্বাসন হচ্ছে 1500, ঠিক না? তাহলে কোশ্চেন কি, হোয়াট ইজ দ্য স্পিড অফ লেটার উইথ রেসপেক্ট টু অ্যান অবজারভার অন দ্য গ্রাউন্ড? The relative speed, relative equals তাহলে 1500 VP means speed of plane and V of combustion, VC minus VP, VC minus VP, তাহলে VC কত? 1500, 1500 minus VC 500, ফাইনালি কত আসছে তো? 1000, তাহলে কিলোমিটার পার আওয়ার, 1000 কিলোমিটার পার আওয়ার। It is the relative speed. তাহলে relative speed observer on the ground. What is the later with respect to an observer on the ground? Ground say observer will see 1000 kilometer per hour. You see the speed of 1000 kilometer per hour. It is the relative speed. Hey बाबू, समझते हैं तो?